The UN Convention on the Rights of the Child is an international human rights treaty which grants all children and young people a comprehensive set of rights, including the right to express their views and have them taken into account in all matters affecting them in Article 12, the right to play, rest and leisure in Article 31, and the right to protection from all forms of violence according to Article 19. The Convention is separated into 54 articles or sections covering the different aspects of childhood and rights and freedoms. All children and young people up to the age of 18 years have all the rights in the Convention. Some groups of children and young people, for example those living away from home and young disabled people, have additional rights. Only 2 eligible countries in the world have not yet ratified the Convention, that is Somalia and the United States. This makes it the second most popular human rights treaty in the world. In Niue this week, there is a consultant working with stakeholders on a report relating to Niue's status on the UN Convention on the Rights of a Child. We will bring you more on that story in our future news bulletins.